to a file. We had a workshop on nonverbal communication to use some signs during the call, so you don't have to interrupt the speakers. And then next week we'll be cleaning up a bit the Discord. We'll remove some roles that are not being used, and we will be adding a new channel. And also, Order Space is taking shape by the work of NT and Bear 100. And I think those are the most important updates for us.
Okay. What kind of changes to the Discord?
There were like some. We're gonna check on the information that is like on the channels and update it if there's something wrong. And then I think there were like some roles that were not being used, like roles to the members. And we're gonna change that, and we're gonna update like the roles assigned to each member. We'll do that manually.
Okay.
And there will be a new channel called Community Offering, which will be for the new members.
Yep.
And there will be there will be a place when we will be assigning like the new roles to members as they evolve in the community.
Cool. Okay. Nice. What about you, Gravity and Wonka?
Yeah. I wanted to share that we will have 2 Twitter Spaces next week, both on the same topic, welfare at work in Web3. And it's an interesting topic. Some things that we don't talk too much about, like health services, like maybe hardship, pregnancies, and like holidays, and some of the things around the expectation settings. How is it not only the onboarding process but also the offboarding process? We will be talking about this on Thursday, the 15th, and we already made the Twitter Spaces for this. So everyone can set a reminder, and we will be sharing this within the TEC Discord and within the TEC Twitter too, to invite people to participate in this Twitter space that will be hosted in the Gravity Twitter. And the next day, the Friday, September 16, we will have 2 people presenting from Opolis and the Work DAO, some of the things that are being done towards having healthcare and protection services for DAO contributors.
That sounds exciting.
Yeah.
And so are you guys going to go through the Gravity, using the Gravity Twitter as the host, and through the TEC Discord or TEC Twitter as the space?
Yes. Okay. Yes, we will have the space in hosting by Gravity, but like we will also have some tweets inviting people to this space from the TEC. It's cool because we will have participation from multiple communities, and it's a transversal topic that we all have, like expectation settings, and still all the differences between traditional work and Web3 work, and all the fast change and relation to insecurity that we have in this space where everything is mostly proposal based.
Yep. For sure.
So yeah, we made these 2 tweets, and everyone is invited. This will be next week.
Okay. And now, so Laser, do you have any updates from comms?
Yeah, sure. In comms, we conclude that all the teams are going to be gone by now.
So consolidating into one group again?
Yeah. Only marketing and Twitter are going to keep going. We're going to make one team for that, just marketing. Well, that will be Twitter on that. Also, the animation team is finalizing the video. And well, that team is by project, so there's not too many problems because that. But translations and the T Academy team are gone by now. Also, Chu is back as a steward. And in Twitter, let me show you my screen. So the Gitcoin Grand round is up here. And we made this thread. Doesn't charge. Here you go. We made this thread about it. I made a GIF and just some information about what our Gitcoin grounds it's going to be in this round 15, and also supporting some of our projects and DAOs that are related to us: Gravity, Stack, Give It, Trusted Seed Praise, Linkit, Cat. So just that. If you want to give a retweet or like, feel free to do it. Remember, retweet is equal love, and that's it for comms.
Cool. Thanks for that update. And like I said, Bear, do you have any updates from Sampo?
Thank you, Nate. Yeah, so these weeks we've been working on the content curation service. There's been a lot of coordination with the Common Stack team and Sha in planning the next steps for hopefully doing some release the first weeks of October, if everything goes right. And also, there's been a lot of work in how to integrate this with the token holder channel that is currently up and running, and how to, combine these projects into something that can be of value for the community. There's also been a lot of more of cultural and philosophical discussions in regards to these projects and its implications. And this has been really good because it has brought a lot of feedback, and it's just making this initiative stronger and with stronger bases. So
Nice.
that's what we've been up to these
And
past
did
few
we
weeks.
ever
And
did we ever
also
fix
having
the
some
token gate thing?
coordination with the comms team with Acid Laser in regards with communication efforts again for these two initiatives and for the Gitcoin grant. So there's been work there, and yeah, I think that's basically what we have for Sampo right now.
Okay, and did we ever fix the bug with the token gate in terms of purchasing and selling a token, or is that still?
Yeah, I heard there was one. To be honest, I haven't checked with NT, but
Okay.
I'm gonna follow up on that. I can let you know.
Cool. I was just checking in. Yeah. And Livy, how about SoftGov? Is there any updates from SoftGov?
Yeah, I uploaded the results from Polis. I left them open now so everyone can see. I'll share my screen. I think we should have a dedicated call to go through all of them and just analyze, because I think there's a lot of stuff here. So yeah, I'll share the link so everybody can take a look. I'll put it here on the chat. And I don't think it's worth taking any conclusions now. I just wanted to share. And then we can discuss more deeply within like an hour call, because I think it's worth it. That's it.
Awesome. Yeah. And welcome, Miguel B. Apologies. We are having kind of a short, quick updates from all the working groups that are present, and we have just gone through all of them. So if you have any questions, please do speak up now. But otherwise, I think that we all have praise. I think it'd be a really good idea for each of us to go through and type them if that's okay with everybody. But please do take a couple minutes to actually go and type some praise through for this past couple weeks. Yeah. Outside of that, does anybody else have any topics that they want to discuss while we're all here in front of the community? All right, I'll give it a 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, this was a short and sweet community call number 95 for September 8th. So thank you everybody for coming. And if we need anything else, let us know.
Thank you.
Thanks so much, guys.
Thank you, everyone.
See you later.